Hi, my name is Teresa Sabol. I am Program Manager and Estimator at Penn Manufacturing. I've been here for 7 years. I'm originally from California, actually Fullerton, California. So I grew up in this neighborhood. I've been in purchasing for the past 40 years, and now I am moving into program management and sales and estimating. I grew up in a machine shop. My dad was a drill press operator. I started working with him when I was about 18 for about 11 or 12 years, and then he moved on and retired, and I became purchasing agent at our company, and I worked there for 20 years. What do I do for fun? Well, my middle stepson plays for the San Francisco Giants, so we go to baseball games a lot. My younger stepson has a scholarship to USC, so we go to his baseball games a lot. And I have 3 grandchildren, so we get to spend a lot of time with them. What I like about Penn Manufacturing is we are small enough to do like little onesie-twosie jobs and big enough to do big production jobs. We're very hands-on, and we have a really great team. We've been working together for quite some time, and we work really well together. I like repeat customers so that I can get to know and to work with them well and on a friendly basis. I'm looking forward to next year to see all of the growth in Penn Manufacturing and where this whole thing leads us.